Hey guys, today we're going to unbox the new Riversong Wave O2 Smart Band. It's an amazing product with some really cool features. We're going to talk about them in detail. Let's see the feature which been mentioned here. It's got an inbuilt charger, sleep monitor, activity tracker and waterproof IP67. Color of the product has also been mentioned here. Now if you see the front of the box, it's got a beautiful watch face here. The other side also mentions some features like SpO2 monitor, blood pressure monitor, heart rate monitor and smart notification. You see this QR code also here which can take you straight to the website. If you see the back side of the box, you have key features mentioned here along with the compatibility which is with Android 4.4 and above and iOS 8. Now let's open the box and see what all is inside. It's got a beautiful flap design here. इसको अगर हम खोलें तो हम देखते हैं कि key features, दो key features highlight किए गए हैं. Heart rate sensor and sleep time, and then you have Wave O2 Smart Band resting peacefully here. Now let's unbox the product and see what all is inside. You see with this product we've got the brochure, it's the user guide which you see, and then there is this warranty card. The product has a 1-year warranty which is being given by the manufacturer. Now let's talk about the product itself. You see this is the beautiful new Smart Band by Riversong. It's got a home button. If you press this home button, you will see the home screen appearing with a colored display. It's got many features, many modes which we're going to talk about at length separately. So this is the back side of the watch which you see here. It's got a sensor here. Through this sensor only the watch captures your heart rate and other critical details, and it's got inbuilt charger, the USB charger here. If you see, if you just drag this strap out, you will see the USB charger here. So this is the point which goes inside the USB charging slot. You can just use your laptop to charge this Wave O2 Smart Band. Putting it back is equally easy. Just slide the strap back on that USB slot. Now let's talk briefly about all the different features which is there to this product. It's got a nice display. It's got a colored display which is a key feature in this product. It's actually not with many products in the market which Riversong has brought now. It's got 0.96 inches TFT color screen, and there are as many as 6 watch face options. You can choose any of them. Then when you press the home button again, it moves to the mode which is your step counter. So the step counter not only counts your steps, it also counts the calories and the distance that you've covered. The next screen is for the smart notification. Through the RS Care app, when you connect it with your mobile, it can show you all the messages that you've got, not only the calls but also the SMSs. It's a very good feature, very interesting feature, and it can always keep you updated about the messages. Now let's talk about heart rate monitor, which is the key highlight of this product. We've actually conducted a testing of the heart rate monitor. I'm just going to show you on my hand how it worked. And then we tested another critical feature which is your blood pressure monitor. There's another testing we did. Let's see how it fared in that test. Now the key highlighting feature, the strongest USP of this product is SpO2, which is the measurement of oxygen level in the blood. So we all know that for healthy living, oxygen levels in blood is very crucial, and this product measures it very nicely. Now we move on to the other modes which are there, and the critical mode, another critical mode is the activity tracker mode and the multi-sports mode. Now we have got 5 exercise modes here, and the Wave O2 tracks all the exercise modes and accurately lets you know your data. So you could be walking, running, cycling, playing basketball or football, and this product is going to measure many details from there. Now beyond this, there are some extremely wonderful features which I must highlight and mention here. One of them is IP67, which is making this product waterproof. So when you go to wash your hands, actually you don't need to remove your band. You can just continue wearing it and do whatever activity you're doing. Another very interesting thing about this watch is the sleep tracker. By combining real-time dynamic heart rate algorithm, sleep state can be monitored scientifically, and this band helps you do that. Battery life for this product is very good. Within 2 hours of charge, it can give you 5 to 7 days of usage. It's got a 90 mAh battery, and for such a tiny product, obviously this kind of usage period is very good. Last but not the least, the product is available only on Amazon. It's an Amazon exclusive product with 1 year warranty, which is being given by Riversong India, and it's priced at 1,999. And as we saw, this is an amazing product. It's got very high utility for people who are into fitness, and even if you're not into fitness, it can monitor your health, it can track your health, and it's just an amazing product which everyone should have. Thank you.